So my parents started Firstplay in 1993, and the business developed because of a need for low protein products, particularly in the UK market, but in Europe and the US as well. So we manufacture foods for special medical purposes that affect people with inborn errors of metabolism. So we make 80 different product lines, and they range from the first products that we manufactured, which are a variety of pastas, all the way through to our latest products, which are cereal and bread.
The job that we do here, it's patient focused, and being able to help people all over the world with a really serious rare metabolic condition is a really, really great thing to be a part of.
The hub's been massive for for the development of our business, and that's all the way through, but focusing on manufacturing particularly. With help from the Resource Efficiency Fund, we were able to introduce a water recycling system, which the business had never had before, which essentially we reuse the water which cooled down our machinery. And yeah, it saved us over 100,000 litres of water every year. I'd probably say in layman's terms, the water that we're saving is the equivalent of not having a tap on for 8 hours a day. You know, the machine that you see behind me, that was brought into the business with some funding from Made Smarter. So it's a vertical form fill seal machine. It's enabled us to essentially pack roughly between 20 and 30 bags a minute. Just to put that in context, prior when we were using hand packing machinery, we were talking 1, 2, 3 units a minute.
What we've been working with Tom on over the past few years is a lot around innovation and how to support new product development. We've supported around upskilling colleagues, some leadership support for Tom himself and some others in the business.
We went on a Growth Hub funded lean manufacturing course. It honestly changed so much in the business. So much so that we brought that course into the business to deliver to the whole team. With the lean manufacturing, we've moved a lot of stations around to reduce one of the main wastes, which is motion, and transport as well. So we're making sure that the principles of what we've learned are carried out day to day. Our growth throughout the last 20 years has always been sort of between 5 and 10% until the last 3 years, coincidentally when we've started working with the hub, and our growth over those years has always been between 20 and 25%.